of Arab geographer in the field of geography. During the medieval period, Arab geographers gave a great contributions to the field of geography. Among many contributors like Ibn Hawqal, al-Masudi, al-Biruni, al-Idrisi, Ibn Battuta, and Ibn Khaldun. The contributions of Arab geographers in the field of geography is totally significant. As we all know, the followers of Prophet Muhammad made significant contributions in the field of geography from 88 to 13th century. The Arab were the great contributors in the field of mathematical, physical, and regional geography. Their achievements in climatology, oceanography, geomorphology, linear measurement, determinations of cardinal points, limits of habitable world, etc. The open mind and the nature of Arabs, the journeys during the pilgrimage and for trade and commerce, and their marine adventures added to their geographic knowledge. According to the Arabs, the western limits of the habitable world was at the end of the Mediterranean Sea, the eastern at Silla means Japan, the northern in the land of Yajuj, Majuj means Siberia, and the southern to the south of equator. So there are many things which given by the Arabs. The term monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausam, which means season. Arab also progressed tremendously in the field of human geography. Ibn Khaldun wrote the books Muqaddima are descriptions of human society which is based on civilizations, geography, anthropology, nomadic culture, dynasty, kingdom, life in village, professions and classifications of. So came to the last slides. Now we discuss about one of the major geographer, the contributions of al-Biruni in field of geography. Al-Biruni studied the various branches of knowledge and inspired people to travel different parts of the world. He achieved great scholarship in philosophy, religion and mathematics, chronology, medicines and various language. Al-Biruni studied the various branches as well as his main works of al includes Kitab al-Hind, al-Qunan, al-Masudi, Vestige of the Past, Athar al-Bajia, Kitab al-Zamakir, Saleh. Of course, Kitab al-Hind, which of the major important books of al-Biruni, is regarded as the monumental work which deals with the geography of India. He wrote near to 21 books on geography, for each one cartography, geology and climatology, and also wrote books on a comet, meteors and surveying. He provides the informations about the source of river. He also discussed the proofs of earth theories, the rotations of earth exist and calculate the latitudes and longitudes of many places. He provides his views on the origin of universe in his book Al-Tahidi. Al-Idrisi was a leading scholar of 12th century. His most important and famous book was Amusements for him who desire to travel around the world. Further, he shared his views on the mathematical and astronomical knowledge. The knowledge helped to influence of the sun and the moon in the form of what we know as the season and the tides, etc. Now, next to the second one is Al-Idrisi. So, Al-Idrisi was a renowned scholar during the 20th century. He was considered to be a great explorer explorer and famous Muslim travelers of his times. His contributions to the field are phenomenal. He approached geography through direct experience through travels. He was such as Danube and Niger with precision. Further, he corrected the wrong notion of an enclosed Indian Ocean, Caspian Sea, which was earlier supposed to be an arm of the world ocean. Al-Idrisi shows that Greek divisions of the world into climatic zones did not correspond to the reality and had suggested a more specific climate system. In the world geography, he contributes to the world map. In fact, it is one of his remarkable contributions to the field of geography. He also gave an account of Europe in the first half of 12th century. Next one is Ibn Battuta. So Ibn Battuta was a man who focused on the economy, political and historical part of a geography. He refused the concept given by the Aristotle thesis that hot region of the world would be too warm for the human habitation. His book Rihlab throws the light in the soil's, agriculture's, economy and political history. So thank you so much. We'll be continue another Arab geographer in next part. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any queries regarding this topic, please put your queries in the comments. Thank you.